Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yep, this is going to be the first video I'm going to do here, and try and show you as much as I can. But in the meantime, like, share, please subscribe. Helps out my channel a lot. It means the world to me if you guys do. Look at my other videos, leave a comment down below, and we're going to show you what we have here before I make my way out of this place. Oh yeah, this one is a little crunchy. That though, I was gonna say that's definitely not a factory color. Anyway, as you can see, there's a big open spot I was telling you about. This is all full of cars here, probably a day or two ago. You know, and you can see the little row right here. That's where they're putting all the new ones in. But man, I'm gonna walk down this way. Yeah, you're gonna do a little bit of walking here. If you need something bad enough, you'll walk to it. Yeah, last time I was here, it's probably been about a year. I mean, this is all full of like all old boats and campers, and cleans it all out now. I'm just trying to show you guys the last set here that they have. That it's a little windy here, so if there's any wind noise, I'm sorry. Yeah, they definitely cleaned up this section pretty good. Yeah, sometimes I think this is a little bit more interesting than, you know, than Copart. At this place, you never know what you're gonna get. Yep, another one, rusted out. Yep, all gone. Whole quarter panel. The big truck. I don't know if this was like the all-wheel drive one. Try not to walk in the mud. Yeah, definitely someone needed the seats in that out of it. Doesn't smell very good. I've come across a lot of those. As soon as you open the door, they just reek. No, I don't think this is. I'll let you know in a second. Nope, not the all-wheel drive. No front differential. Saturn view. Those things were junk. Whole section of a vehicle on top of that van. That looks safe. Oh, this is all rotted out. There it is. Old van. Oof. Yuck. Sure, it was a nice vehicle at one point, but not anymore. Old Dodge Caravan. A camper right there. I'll look at that one in a second. That's old. That thing's probably 60s, maybe? Take a look at it. Ooh-wee. Yeah, this one definitely had a water leak. Somebody tried saving it with 2x4s at one point. They tried, that's the key word. But in its day, I'm sure with a nice one. I mean, it had a full kitchen in it. 4-burner stove and an oven. There's the heater, cover space, double sink. Kitchen table that broke down into a bed. Hopefully I won't go through the floor in this thing. Yeah, this thing's moving around like crazy walking in it. Oh, refrigerator. Eesh. Yeah, this thing is really far gone. Like, if somebody wanted to restore this, you'd have to rip this whole thing apart. Oh, there's the valve for the gray and black water tank. All the cabinets. Oh, it actually had a bathtub in it. Wow. Back in the day, this one was actually pretty nice then. Full cabinet. I don't know if there was a sink right here. Yeah, there was a sink there because there were the copper lines. Trying to make my way. A decent sized closet. And an old speaker. I thought it was like a little heater. Well, this one, yeah. Oh yeah, had a bunk bed up there. And 2 beds down there. So with that bed, that one up there, I'd seat like 5 people. I wouldn't want to be up there if all the little kids. You'd probably roll off. Yeah, someone definitely tried saving this. It's a shame it turned into this. Because this one's actually pretty nice. Well, it was. Well, it is what it is, you know. Ugh. They had the old sliding door in it to separate everything so you could use the bathroom in peace. Eesh. Man. Yeah, I had the heating through the floor. Yeah, back in the day, man, this was a nice one. Yeah, I'm going to end this video here because I'm running out of battery power, so I'm going to have to cut this one short. Sorry, guys, I didn't bring an extra battery with me, and I'm running out of power, so please subscribe, like, share, hit that bell for notifications, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.